This video will give you a brief overview of Plot and how to make the most out of it. We created Plot to help you focus on deep work, so you'll notice that it is very streamlined. There's little to set up, there's no tinkering required. Plot is super fast. It comes with great defaults out of the box, but it also has just the right amount of flexibility to adapt to your workflow. Plot is focused on 3 core entities: tasks, projects, and documents. So let's take a look. First, organize your workspace by adding your teams. Teams group people who usually work together. Any member of your workspace can belong to multiple teams. From any of your teams, click on Tasks. From here, you can add a standalone work for your team. Simply click Add Task and start typing. Hit Enter to add a new one, and so on. After your tasks are created, you can assign them to a teammate or guest, add deadlines, labels, track status, and more. Then you can add all the context and details for a task by clicking on it. From here, you can add a description, context, relevant links and attachments, so everyone knows exactly what to do. At the bottom, you will find updates, where your team can leave relevant posts to keep everyone on the loop and reduce check-in meetings and stand-ups. Each update post creates a thread, so conversations can remain focused. But what if you need to track larger initiatives? For that, we have projects. With projects, you can bring in different teams to collaborate together, track progress, health, and status, and add overarching hard deadlines. When you click on a project, you go to the project's tasks. Any task you create here will be available to all the teams that belong to the project. You can also assign tasks across teams by clicking on the team ID, then choosing the team that you want these tasks to belong to. If you click on the project at the top, you will go to the project brief. Here you can add a full spec and control the project properties, add status updates, or join the conversation with your team. As you or anyone else in your team complete tasks, you will see progress update in real time. Documents allow you to bring in all the knowledge and context that you need in order to execute your work right next to the place where you plan and track. To create a new document, click the plus sign at the top of the sidebar and start typing away. Your team can leave comments and discuss. And if needed, you can convert the document into a task or a project with a single click. In either tasks, projects, or documents, you can add additional collaborators by going to the Share menu at the top to provide access and fine-grained control to anyone on any team. Or you can invite outside guests to collaborate on any piece of work. As you start using Plot day to day, your list can get noisy. Plot helps you fight back by adding filters, so you only see what is relevant to you. You can also change how your tasks are organized by clicking on View. From there, you can toggle between lists and Kanban board and change the grouping and ordering, or decide whether or not you want to see completed or inactive tasks. Both filters and view settings are individual to you and affect only the current list. Plot also has built-in features to reuse your workflows. From your team, you can go into templates and start creating templates that will be available to you either when you create a new project or when you are creating a new task. So that's a look at Plot. I hope it helps you and your team move faster and create more. If at any point you get stuck or need help, feel free to email me personally at abraham@plot.app or go to your sidebar and click Help and Support, and we'll be happy to help.